Hello everybody, see you again. Yesterday, you remember yesterday I peel out the skin of a yuca and I soaked it in rice water. This is the rice water. It's when you cook rice before cooking and you go to wash the rice. After instead of you drain the water to the sink, just get a container and collect it, and you put the yuca here for overnight. So it's clean all the toxins or whatever. It's been released out of the yuca. So now I'm going to rewash it. So before cooking, I boil. You can steam, but to me, I prefer boil. So the stock can absorb the water, so it's much more better. So, if you want to steam, you can do it, but it like, okay, let me show you how I do for boiling today, and the next time I try another way to let you see how nice. You see, it's a clean, it's nice, it's a beautiful. So I got some water here. And you know, when I boil something, I always add some salt. Now I add salt in. I want to add more or less. It's up to you. Probably I get half because probably too salty. So it's around about a teaspoon salt. Now I'm going to cook it. Okay. Now I cover with a lid, and I turn on. The heat is high. When it is boiled a couple times, I will lower to the minimum. Okay, now, and I come back later. This is boiling. So now I just mix the, and I'm going to lower the heat. Okay, let me go to drain the water out. I drain the water out and I put back on the stove with cover on the high heat for a little bit. But I have to stand here. I have to watch. It's hot. So I can turn it off now. Okay, it's ready to eat now. it's still the smoke come out. Yeah, let me move to the dish and let you see it. Look at these after cooking. Let's see, because I'm outside the house now. You can see it's clean. That's after cooking a boil. That's it. You can eat with sugar. You just, ow, it's hot. Because the record is now almost 8 o'clock, so the color might be not exactly when we're recording. Look at this one. You dip in the sugar and it. So today I show you another natural snack. You can try. It's normally 79 cents a pound, but sometimes only 59 cents. So you just dip in the sugar, eat. Once again, like I told you at the beginning, it's just for a snack. Don't eat too much because this they have a lot of starch here, so it absorbs a lot. When you get in, you eat a lot, or and then you drink water because it's absorb a lot of water, and you drink water, it might be expand fast, so it's digest fast. It's no good. So just eat as a snack. And for a kid, don't give them it too much. It's no good. I should just give them a little bit, or you can skip. Don't give this to them because they are kids. When they eat and they cannot control their belly, and it's too much. This is a lot of stock and there's so much, and it's no good. So I suggest you try a little bit first and see what happens. So don't forget subscribe to get more video when I publish new video. And I try to bring as many as a natural snack to all of you. See, then you like it, you can try, because this is not expensive. It's kind of okay. It's not expensive. The only thing you have to process by yourself. That's it. Okay. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.